You probably get an email from a recruiter, you think you'll follow up later, you forget, opportunity gone. Or a client sends a project detail, you miss one line and you lose money because of that. So I built an AI that treats every important email and automatically creates a task for you. No coding, no manual work. Let me show you exactly how to build this. Before I show you the build, let me show you the final results first. So it's completed. Let's go and test it out. Let's go to hackathon. Let me write a basic email. Let's see what it does. Invitation for interview and submit your documents. Oh, this will be subject and over here will be this one. Then we can say this will be our today 7 p.m. Do this, don't do this. Sent. Okay, it's being sent. Let me check my flows. Oh, success. It took 5 seconds and it did succeed. And time is that only. Let's go to here. Oh, in the channel, new task created. Sender name. We have due date, description. What do you want? This is great. Let's start. So in the last video, I have showed you how to do sign in and all stuff for free. Go check it out that part. I'll click on sign in. Automatically, okay, this is my account. Sign in. Recording is on. Thank you. Create. Let's click on this plus. Workflow. Personal. Okay. So what happens exactly here? As I shown you, one email will come and that automatically should be converted to a task. So I'll click on this. Our first step is the Gmail. So mail will come to the trigger. So trigger point will be the Gmail. If we search for Gmail, I'm sorry. Let me redo it. Okay, delete. What is our trigger? Gmail when a mail is coming. So let's explore Gmail triggers on message receive. Yeah, that one I was looking for. I have created the credential. If you want to, you can click on the create new credential, then sign in with Google. In whatever account you want to add that functionality of having the mail, you can do that. So I'll use this Gmail account too. Then okay, yeah. So yeah, let's test this trigger. Yeah, we are getting the emails. So this is the mail. Okay, what is the next step? Next step is to have some information. We do data transformation, like we can separate the information from this email, like taking snippet and all thing. For that we have edit fields or set. We click on over here manual mapping. Okay, fields. We'll do one thing. Add field. What is the name of field? This will be subject. And can I see subject over here? Yeah. Click over here, drag and drop. Then you click to add content. Then content will be in snippet. Yeah. This is the payload snippet. Then yeah, that's it, I guess. This information will be needed, and from here it will check the information is what. Let's execute this step. Yeah, we got in the form of two variables, and those are in the form of string. Then after that, this message should be going. Then after that, this message should be going to an AI model, OpenAI. Let's suppose say OpenAI. Then message a model, context, type, prompt. Before that, I have two accounts actually. OpenAI provides you 200 free OpenAI API credit section. When you click on the new credentials, that option comes over here. If you want to check more how to create a separate API key, go check out the video that I said you should be checking. Then, or I'll create a reel as well afterwards or shorts related to that. Okay, so from I'll choose this one because they have given 200 free credits and a 10 free OpenAI credits. Over here I'll choose the model which will be GPT-5 mini, and then okay, the prompt. So what I'll do, I'll copy the prompt from some body which is this content and sender name. I'll be taking from the Gmail trigger. Which is this one, not this one. Yeah, from Let me remove this. Yeah, and we are good. So it will take input as these things, instruction, determine. So if the email is legitimate, contain specific rules. If the email is related to hiring, HR interviews, something, something, something. And yeah, I have given the prompt and it will do the action and create the task. Let's execute this step. Yeah, see, executed. The text says no. So if no task is found, then return no. Because it was the generic mail like for marketing purpose from Photoshop. That's why it said no. If it was the mail from some hiring partner or some client, then it would have created a text in the form of actual task. Let's go to next step. Next step is if node. So suppose if else works in this fashion, we'll check. If the value that the text is saying is no, that means this was a marketing gimmick mail, something related to that. So if that's there, that means it will be true. Node executed true branch. Then we should be adding the next node to false. Cause if it is the marketing mail, true, no action will perform. If it is not, then we'll use our Slack thing. For Slack thing, there are various actions are there. From here, I'll use create a not create a channel message. What is it called? Send a message. I'll use this one. In send a message, same thing. Before that, if you don't have the account for Slack, you can go to slack.com. Suppose like this Slack. Go to Slack, login. Then create your using your Google. Choose the account. And automatically it will be signing. And after that, just it's launching right now. It takes some time. You can use Slack in your browser or you can use the app as well. So it will be in this fashion, the dashboard. So now the thing is, you have to go to over here, credential, create new credential, connect to Slack, and it will automatically detect whatever you logged in, and then you should be click on only allowed workspace that you created in Slack. Yeah, that is perfect. Connection successful. Okay, that means you have created credentials. This was the before credential, this is the after one. Let's use this one and send the message. So in Slack, you have different channels you can create. Like these are the channels. You can add a channel, create a new channel, and say hiring updates. I can fix this. Next, create public. This channel is being created. Skip for now. Then go to overflow. After over here, I will check for send a message and send a message to. Over here, I'll use channel section. In the channel section, I'll be searching for hiring updates. So automatically the message or the task that is being created from OpenAI, that will be putting into this channel, the text of message. This is the main thing. So I have created that using chatgpt. So I'll just copy paste that. So this was the flow that I created before shooting this video. I'll create copy of this, copy, go over here, paste. Now the thing is, I'll arrange it in a good way. Description, due date, priority, sender name. So these were the thing that I got from the OpenAI. So if you click over here, okay, so after if one action should be there, let me show you. So this is the text. It contains the task title. Oh, that OpenAI message model created that task title, then task description, then due date, priority, sender. So we have to again create a data transformation step for this. After it is like not a spam or not a marketing gimmick, we'll use that set edit fields only for data transformation. Same thing we'll do. Drag drop. Okay, so but this is giving actually whole task title in one frame actually, but I want the task title only. We'll do one thing. So we'll be only having title. I'll give this code in the comment as well for task type. What I did. So this is the JSON output 0 dot content 0 dot text. So it was grabbing this. If I show you, let me show you in this example. So yeah, this was the piece. What I did to this. So this was giving the whole thing. I converted this to direct JSON. Let me show you how I did that. So if I cut this JSON dot parse, and in bracket this strip it was performing, and then dot so we over here task title. Now you will use task description. Then I'll close this. Over here as well to close. Open, sorry. Now it is giving only the task description. I'll copy this and again create a new value for a sender. Who was the sender? Not sender actually, for priority. Dot prior. What's the spelling? Yeah, small now. Again doing for due date. This is set. This was task description, priority. This was due date. Okay, we are good. 4 separate values. Then okay, this is over here. Then in send and message, I'll just using this from previous step. Task title, task description, due date, and the priority is working correctly. A sender name I have taken from Gmail trigger. And execute step. Oh,
Like,
it did.
comment, and
Let's check our
subscribe.
Slack if in hiring updates we have got the mail or not. Wow, it did actually. Sender name, from whom, due date, priority, title description.